Are you ready to earn up to $15 per hour or more? Begin a career, not just a job? Challenge yourself? If you answered yes to these questions, then the Manufacturing Career Accelerator Program is a great fit for you. The Manufacturing Career Accelerator Program, or MCAP, is a skill building and work readiness program that will put you on the fast track to a productive career in manufacturing. This no cost virtual program includes a free Chromebook, access to supportive services such as digital literacy and one on one career coaching, and networking with employers, including connections to hiring companies upon graduation. In just 7 weeks, you will complete an intensive, industry specific skill building program designed by manufacturing professionals with 4-hour live and self paced training sessions that take place Monday through Friday. You'll earn industry valued credentials such as OSHA 10 and Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt, and develop the essential digital skills to communicate and learn in the workplace. To participate in MCAP, you must have a high school diploma or GED, have access to a reliable car, and pass a drug screening and a criminal background check. Classes begin in March of 2021, with 2 additional sessions beginning in May and July of 2021. Women and minorities are strongly encouraged to apply. To see if MCAP is right for you, call 215-770-7101 or visit drexelmcap.catalog.instructure.com. There is so much more to manufacturing than you realize. So, if you're ready to get back to work in an exciting new career, join the Manufacturing Career Accelerator program today.